Getting stranded on the highway can be life-threatening in remote areas, especially when you don't have essential tools with you. Such situations necessitate the use of an emergency car kit. Roadside emergency kits come prepared with tools and other things that can be used in case of all sorts of roadside problems. From jumper cables to traction strips to a first aid kit to an emergency blanket. Not just that, these kits pack small and can be tossed inside your back trunk without even noticing. And therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 7 best emergency car kits for roadside assistance based on their tools, quality, and convenience. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Everything you need in case of an emergency while being stranded on a highway. The Roadside Emergency Car Kit by INEX Life Store is an excellent pack of essentials that will help you survive in such situations. Its 112 pieces of tools include a multi-tool, a flashlight, a med kit, and other essentials that will let you fight against any of the conditions. A hammer is also included with it to break the glass, which can also cut the seat belt. Besides, a jumper cable is included so you can jumpstart your car. And for that, Roadside Emergency Car Kit by INEX Life Store is an essential need to keep inside your car in case of any emergency. Aims to provide a premium level of protection to you and your loved ones, the HAIPHAIK Emergency Roadside Toolkit features some unique but very practical tools essential to save you from any unplanned incidents. Its toolbox is made of thick PE which will not get damaged due to any weather condition. It includes 9 separate tools such as a utility knife, a wire cutter, 3 screwdrivers, a hammer, and others. The kit also includes a multifunctional shovel that is a shovel and a saw too. Steel is what makes it durable, so you don't have to worry about it. Additionally, a jumper cable set with 11.8 feet cable is provided that can be used in multitude of rescue situations. Prepare well for any emergency and survival situation with the HAIPHAIK Emergency Roadside Toolkit, a great pack of tools that will help you to lessen your losses. Deal with the possible roadside accidents with the STDY Car Roadside Emergency Kit, a set of emergency tools that is compact and practical. It comes in an easy-to-carry and compact bag that you can fit anywhere in your trunk or back seat or even inside the spare tire compartment with ease. The included 81 pieces of tools can be confusing for you, and for that reason, a detailed manual is also provided. Besides, the kit includes an 8-gauge copper wire jumper cable, a safety vest, a safety hammer to break the window or cut the seat belt, foldable reflective warning triangles, and others to save you from any unplanned emergencies. The STDY Car Roadside Emergency Kit includes everything you need to keep going. Getting stranded on a highway or in a remote area may not be what you prefer, but it happens. And you should be prepared with the WNG brand's Roadside Assistance Emergency Car Kit, which has everything you may need. The kit features a fully equipped first aid kit with scissors and tweezers to provide you with basic treatment on the spot. Plus, the emergency warning triangle will reflect lights to bring attention to passerby or rescuers around. Besides a safety vest, 2 hand gloves, a raincoat, 2 hand warmers for cold weather conditions, and a flashlight at night, the kit contains everything you need to remain safe. If you know SOS signs, you can use the flashlight for attention. Be prepared, be ready, be protected. With the WNG brand's Roadside Assistance Emergency Car Kit, a pack of essential goodies that will keep you safe until you're rescued. Most car emergency kits in the market are packed with low-quality tools that melt and break easily, but not First Security 90-piece car emergency kit, which is packed with robust and double tools for top performance. This features some of the most practical tools that others don't, such as a 7-piece tire repair kit, an 11.8 feet tow rope with 10,000-pound towing capacity, and a portable 12-volt 250 psi air pump. These will serve you great in your need. Not only 90 pieces of tools, but this emergency kit is also packed with a 48-piece first aid kit that will keep you safe in case of any roadside accident where you or someone else is injured. With the topmost priority to keep you and your loved ones safe, the First Secure 90-piece car emergency kit is a pack of durable essentials which promises to serve you the best performance. Proven to provide immediate help during any emergency car situation, whether an accident or engine breakdown. The Roadside Rescue Emergency Assistance Kit ensures the assurance of getting out of any roadside situation of uncertainties. This kit includes 1 heavy-duty jumper cable to jumpstart your car, 1 11-in-1 multi-tool to complete several tasks, 1 tire pressure gauge to have precise air pressure in the tire, a whistle to attract rescuers, and 110 pieces in total to facilitate your survival. Besides, the whole package also includes a 64-piece first aid kit that holds several types of languages, medicines, and an all-purpose dressing and wraps kit to keep your wounds protected. Keep peace of mind by keeping a Roadside Rescue Emergency Assistance Kit inside your car, making you prepared for any unpleasant scenario. Security with an excellent value. The Lifeline 4388 AAA Excursion Road Kit is exactly what it serves, which comes compact but packs large. All of the items that are included in the pack meet the standards set forth by the AAA Engineering Department, which means the kit will ensure excellent safety and exceptional performance. The kit includes an 8-foot 8-gauge jumper cable to make your car functional, a flashlight for nighttime navigation and giving signals, a 2-in-1 screwdriver for utility use, an emergency poncho for keeping you warm, and other must-needed items to make your miseries a little less. Protection is inevitable when it comes to surviving an accident on a highway in a remote place, and the Lifeline 4388 AAA Excursion Road Kit promises safety and security to keep you guarded. So that was our list for the 7 best emergency car kits for roadside assistance just for you. Thanks for watching it. Like this video and share it with your friends if you find it helpful. And don't forget to let us know what you think in the comment section.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.